it's pretty rough. So Alex, you've seen inside. What does it look? How does it look?
Trashed. It's done.
I can't scream it louder.
So we're down here at Black Diamond Detailing today, and Juan gave me a call last night and had some really crazy news. Basically, he said that his shop was ruined, like absolutely destroyed on the inside, and told me I needed to get my ass down here today and check this out. So we're gonna give you a peek inside the shop to see what's going on and just how bad the destruction is in there. But first, let's go back to this morning. So we're at our first location of the day with Black Diamond Detailing, and we're doing a quick maintenance wash on a vehicle that they've already coated. You might recognize it if you've seen one of our latest videos. So let's check it out. So here she is, the limited F450 with the rose gold Forgiato Duro wheels. This is the one we did a feature on here just a few weeks back. Let's check in to see how that ceramic coating is holding up. Oh yeah, so this ceramic coating is holding up extremely nicely, and we're finally getting some great weather here in California, so this thing can really shine all summer long. And let's take a quick look at the wheels again, because these things are just absolutely insane. "37-inch tires on 26-inch wheels. Just absolutely massive, but so unique."
Swagger Daddy Mike.
I've been in a lot of
You guys gotta check this out. So Juan was telling me how he gets so limber is to do, what is it, truck detailing yoga? Let's check this out.
Yeah,
Look at this.
You gotta.
know,
It's a good stretch.
Is this like the Nike position or Running Man? Oh, Nike, hit him up. He wants a sponsorship.
Hey, it can get a little tight under here.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you're flexible, huh, Alex?
Yeah, I'm probably the fattest flexible person I've ever seen.
Hey, that's all right though.
Nice.
We don't want to leave anything out on this truck. It needs to be completely immaculate, even underneath in the undercarriage. So as we're finishing up, Juan just informed me that we are gonna go check out the best fried chicken spot in all of Tracy, and I don't know how you feel about that, Alex. What do you think?
Super excited.
Some of that chicken?
Yeah.
Hungry already.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I'm sweating
Yeah.
off. I'm sweating. So that
I don't
way
know if I can. I don't know if I can handle this chicken, man. Like, I brought a lunch. Like, I don't want to get too beefy, but we'll try it out. We'll let you guys know.
So, guys, this is a ceramic coated vehicle that we're maintaining. We maintenance a few vehicles a week that are ceramic coating. We are seeing exactly what the ceramic coating is doing, and that's what helps us with our process. Hey, you know what? Why is the coating reacting this way, or why is it doing that? Or look at this, it's reacting amazing, right? Let's see how long it's lasting. All the little details at the end of the day is what counts. And details like this, going mobile and maintaining a vehicle that has a coating that we installed and seeing that coating work tells us what we need to improve ourselves in.
Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge.
All right, guys, we finally got wrapped up here with the Ford. Now it's time for some bomb-ass chicken.
The same, man, and I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side.
It's called Bruce Starbucks. Have you ever had one?
Oh, no.
Any of you YouTube fans ever had one? Leave a
comment below.
and Mike's video.
Let's see it. I don't know if it messes you up.
Yeah, just let us know before we try it.
What are you thinking today?
So I had this rain. I had this rain energy drink earlier. I suggest you guys don't get it because I started getting a headache towards the end, which is not good. So I'm just keep it light with the Rockstar. Oh, but most importantly, other than this Rockstar, you guys gotta stay hydrated. Gotta get the Big John.
Yeah.
So we're at the chicken spot here, and Juan's ordering. Let's take a look.
Can I get all of that? All of it.
In case you didn't know, Juan's on a diet.
Yeah.
We both should be on a diet. Oh, this is where the plain Doritos were. Sorry, man, I got you
Dude, I didn't
spicy.
mean to buy all the chicken. I didn't know there was that many people behind me.
You're still messed
So,
up, dude.
in case you can't figure that out, Juan just bought all the chicken, and they got pissed because now there's no chicken for anybody else right behind him in line. But look at this though. Look at this.
Yeah, Alex, get
Whole big old handful of chicken. Yeah, that's bad. That's embarrassing. We gotta get out of here before he gets shot. So now Juan's gotta go try to redeem himself because he just bought all the chicken, but he forgot to pay for gas. So now he's gotta go back in there, and while we wait, Alex, I gotta get some tips from the pro here. I got me a nice,
man.
we're not sponsored, but I gotta see the official Black Diamond Detailing way to do this here. So what, it's like a twirl, 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 and then,
There you
oh yeah,
go.
just like that. Now we're talking.
This gives you more, so normally you only get 2 wings, but when you do that, it gives you 2 more extra ones.
So you got all the wings. We're not sponsored, but one day. Taking a look at this chicken. Some damn good chicken. Thanks, Juan.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. So we're at our second location with Black Diamond Detailing, and it's one that some of you might be pretty familiar with. Yeah, that's right. We're over here at Show Off Motorsports. We've got some pretty sweet rides that we're gonna do a quick maintenance wash on. But let's take you back here and show you.
Oh yeah, they work. Yeah, they work. Oh.
Cone.
Hey, those fucking
Almost almost hit that cone back there. Freaking knows what he's doing though. Look at this thing.
Look at this, John.
Freaking mean.
Come wipe me down, wipe me down. All these diamonds on my neck, come wipe me down. Come wipe me down, baby, come wipe me down. All these diamonds on my neck, come wipe me down. Pull up in the foreign, drop top in the morning. I think we might go platinum. That's why I'm zoned in. What can I say? I'm that nigga. Thought I had friends, now they bitter. They gon' only be one winner. I be grinding no damn winner. So show me love, hold me down, rub me now. Got the crown, bottom line, Columbine, shots in line, kinda fine. Pop your mind, how that feel? Not too good, know you well, don't you tell? Then everybody I might know, so you better let it go. Hope the love forgive me, tryna count a milli, tryna run my city. Thumbers in the building, thumbers in the building.
We are mid-process cleaning this truck, and damn, this thing is freaking awesome. This thing has some massive 22-inch fuel-forged wheels on 35-inch bogger. Freaking insane. So I caught Juan doing more unique poses. Let's look at this. What you doing in there, buddy? It's all about the details. Details, get it? Details, because they're detailing the, yeah, you get it. So we just finished up shooting this thing. Beautiful truck. We're gonna take it back now to the shop to show you exactly what we're talking about, exactly what happened in the shop. Okay, so finally it's time. We gotta show you guys inside the shop. It's pretty rough. So Alex, you've seen inside. What does it look? How does it look?
Trashed. It's done. You guys got to come take a look for it yourself.
Like, so you can see right here, there's a dumpster literally full of the garbage inside of the building. If you're ready, I think it's time. So it's a little bit different than what I led you to believe, but we've got some really big things going on in here over the next few weeks. And it's pretty loud in here, so I'll go ahead and tell you outside. So basically, this shop, with its former owners, they had some vinyl flooring and they had an extra stub wall. And really, for what we're doing here at Black Diamond Detailing, it's not the most convenient thing ever. You'll go to turn the tires on a vehicle you're detailing and the floor wants to come apart. So we are tearing this bad boy apart and completely redoing the floor. And we're also taking out the stub wall to give just that little bit more space so we can cover so many larger projects for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the crap we've got pulled out right now. Like, look at this. This is all stuff from the stub wall. And all the vinyl flooring totally ripped out. Flooring's been torn up. And we're gonna get all this stuff polished. The stub wall used to be right here. And look how much room we're gaining right here. This is gonna be extremely nuts. And we are just more than excited to get started on this and get back to detailing the shop with all this extra space. This freaking place is just an absolute disaster though. I mean, like, all his cameras, all his gear, like, look at this. Like, I don't think I've ever seen this shop this dirty.
So, current state of the shop. As you guys know, we are remodeling it. So I just want to give you guys a brief overview of what we did. We took down these walls that were here in the beginning of the entrance, and on this side, it created a little bit more space to where it's going to help us out. A few things that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to redo this copper line where we had our air lines. And not just that, but we're going to be doing a few tweaks to adding a system to clean our air lines to make sure there's no water in it, because we do have polishing machines that run off of air. So I want to make sure that those are running at 100%. We are going to be, I think we're going to install some lights here on top, because the plan is this is going to be the work areas, create some nice stations, so the vehicles that are going to be staying for a few days, they're going to have their own section in which they're going to be in, and that's going to completely open up all this over here. For what? For last minute calls for people to get squeezed in for a maintenance, for washes and waxes, for something simple as a single stage polish, because sometimes you guys want to come in a little bit sooner, and I'm trying to make that happen for you guys. So this is the current state. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more.
Okay guys, that wraps up our day with Black Diamond Detailing. We really appreciate you guys tuning in, and obviously if you want to see more content just like this, comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. We appreciate you guys, and we have a ton more coming just like this. The shop's gonna be just amazing when it's done, but we're not done yet. So tune in next time. See it.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, my respect to people that do videos and have to hold this thing, because my arms hurt already. Alex, your turn.